Hey all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today is August 16th. I am going to be trying something different in terms of my workout, in terms of my fitness journey. I don't even know if I'll actually post this video, to be honest, but I'm just recording it just in case I feel encouraged and I feel secure about posting it. Today is a Monday, August 16th, and I just finished my workout. I usually start working out for the week on a Sunday, so this is basically day 2 of my workout. So yeah, I'm going to be trying the keto diet. I don't know how long I will last on it. I have done it before. I've done it once before for 3 weeks, and I did see a lot of results during that time. But the thing is, the last time I did the keto in about, I think it was 2019 that I did it. I wasn't exercising, none at all. So I was just basically eating what they say on the keto diet. And for those of you who don't know what the keto diet is, you can research on it, but in layman's terms, you're basically eating a high fat, moderate protein and very, very low carb diet. When I say low carb, I mean you're actually eating less than 12 grams of carbs per day. So that's what I'm going to be trying this week. I'm going to try to see if I can show you guys my meals. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I do get some progress. Hopefully I'm able to keep up on it, because I remember from the last time I did it, it just felt like I was feeling very deprived, like I had a lot of cravings and stuff, which is why I think I only was able to do it for 3 weeks. And also I think because I saw results so quickly, I think I literally lost 15 pounds in 3 weeks. I was averaging 5 pounds per week when I was on the keto diet the last time. And I think because I was seeing results so quickly, I was just like, okay, I can come off of this and whatever. But I think this time hopefully will be different, because I'm also working out. So this is not something that I'm planning to do for the long term. This is not something I see as like an entire lifestyle change. I'm just trying it. If you watched any of my previous videos, you'd have known that I feel like I've been doing the same thing for the longest, and so I just kind of wanted to switch it up and see where it goes. So I'm taking you guys along with me on the journey. We'll see how long I will last on it. Yeah, we'll see how long I'll last on it. So come along for the ride. Hopefully I actually have the courage to post this. So I will see you guys in the next clip, probably when I'm eating lunch. I am going to continue intermittent fasting, which is something I do regularly. I really just don't have the appetite for breakfast usually. So I usually start eating for the day at lunchtime, which can be 12, 1, 2, whatever time I feel hungry or I feel like I'm ready to eat. So I guess I will show you guys that when I'm eating my lunch. It is currently 2:04 p.m. I'm now just gonna have my lunch and my first meal of the day. So I have a salad here. So the salad consists of lettuce, cabbage and carrots, and all of that is shredded. I added some cheese to that, as you can probably see, like right here. And then on top of that, I just opened a can of tuna. Right, so I opened a can of tuna, I seasoned that with some black pepper, added some onions and some mayonnaise. I also added some ranch dressing to my salad as well, and then I boiled 2 eggs and I cut them up to include in the salad as well. So I'm gonna grab on that. I'm also gonna have something to drink. This is called the sparkling ice. It's a sparkling water. It's 5 calories actually, but 0 carbs, 0 sugar. So it's a sugar-free drink, and I'm only having about maybe half of it. So I'm gonna eat that for my lunch, and then I guess I'll show you guys when I'm having something else in the evening when I get hungry. So yeah, this is my salad. So it's a fairly good size salad, so I'm hoping that I'll be full after eating this. I just wanted to show you this item that I got. So it's no sugar added. the keto diet actually doesn't allow you to eat sugar, so which is why you cannot eat like fruits and stuff like that, because even though it's natural sugar, it's still sugar. But I found this in the supermarket. It is jello. I prepared it just so that I'd have something sweet to eat. If I'm feeling for something sweet, it does have calories. Let me turn it around for you. It does have calories. I believe it's 10 calories, and but everything else is zero, as you can see. So zero carbs, zero sugars, everything is basically zero, except the sodium. But yes, I prepared this today. I was actually pleasantly surprised that they actually do have no sugar added jello, because I know this is one of the things that you can actually eat as a sweet treat or as a dessert. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So for my supper, I'm gonna be eating this can of Vienna sausage. I'm gonna be crushing it, adding some cheese and melting it in the microwave, and I'm gonna dice up or cut up some cucumber to eat with it. So that's what I'll be eating for supper. I'm feeling okay, to be honest. I think day one is a success. Like, I don't feel deprived, I don't feel hungry. I actually don't feel hungry right now. So the time is now 7:33. I'm not super hungry, to be honest, but I know I need to eat something because I still want to get my calories in. So this is the cheese that I'll be using. I actually buy this at Price Mart, and then I have my cucumber that I buy at the supermarket, and then of course I have the sausage that I showed you guys before. So that's what I'll be eating. Welcome to day 2 of my keto journey. Yesterday I was fine. I wasn't feeling any way to close out the day. I didn't feel hungry after I showed you what I ate yesterday, the cucumber and the sausage and the cheese. I never feel hungry this morning. I've been chugging water all day since yesterday as well, throughout the day. It's currently 20 minutes to 1, so it's 12:40. And I am making my lunch. I'm gonna have the salad that I had yesterday, but I'm making something called, well, I see it as a keto recipe on Instagram, and they call it chicken nuggets, but I don't have any canned chicken. I have canned tuna, so I'm using canned tuna to make tuna nuggets, right? So that's what I'm making now. I'm gonna eat that with my salad and eat that with some ranch dressing. How to make the tuna nuggets is, you need a can of tuna, you drain it well. I usually get the tuna in water and not oil. So I just drain that well, make sure I get out as much of the water as possible as I can. And then I added some seasonings. That's how I usually regular season my tuna. So like black pepper, chili, some crushed red pepper, some onions. What else I put in there? I think that's about it. And I put some paprika in there as well, and then I added some shredded cheese, the same cheese that I showed you yesterday. Added some of that in there and added an egg, and then I basically boiled them together and fried them. Now you can bake them or you can air fry them if you have an air fryer, but since I don't have an air fryer and I wasn't gonna turn on the oven, I decided to just fry them. So I'll show you guys that in the next clip. These are how my nuggets turned out. I mean, for the first time, they may not look the most appealing, but you get the idea. So I basically fried them until they were golden brown, and then I have my salad, which I ate from yesterday. This is the balance of it, and it has cabbage, sweet pepper, a little bit of carrots and lettuce in there, and then I just have some ranch dressing on the side. I'm also gonna have the balance of my sparkling ice from yesterday, so I'm gonna have this along with my meal. So yeah, this is my lunch, first meal of the day on day 2 of keto. So I'm gonna grub, and I'll probably check in back with you later when I have my second meal, which will be my last meal of the day. It's day 3 of the keto diet. I'm actually eating lunch now. Totally forgot to show you guys what I'm eating, but I got a salad from Wendy's. I added some of my own ranch and some cheese. So that's what I'm eating now. Yeah, I'm in a different environment today. I came into office. The time is now 1:06. I was actually really hungry today, but I'm having this and I'm having water as well. Guys, as you can see, it's like half eaten. It does come with croutons, but I will not be eating the croutons for obvious reasons, and it's pretty good. It came with ranch dressing, and as I said, I carried some of my own ranch dressing, just because I wasn't sure what I was gonna get for lunch today, but I ended up getting a Wendy's salad. So yeah, that is how it looks. I've already eaten like half of it. Good morning, guys. Happy keto day 4. So this is day 4 of the keto. I didn't update you guys last night because I got home from work pretty late, and I was just really tired, but I did go ahead and have basically what I had on the first day. So I had some cucumbers with some crushed Vienna sausage and cheese, but this time I added a little cream cheese on the slices of cucumber. So that's what I had when I got home last night. And then I also had a little bit of the jello, the sugar-free jello. I had a little bit of that. I was feeling for something sweet, so that's what I decided to have. Yesterday would have been day 3. Now I should have mentioned yesterday that since yesterday I've been peeing so much. So Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, I literally got up to pee probably 4 times, and I had just been peeing throughout the day. Now I usually drink water anyway. I usually have this bottle with me all the time, just kind of drinking water. But I don't really think it's because I'm drinking water, because I usually drink that amount of water throughout the day anyway. So I think I'm just kind of probably shedding water weight. I haven't experienced anything else, honestly, but that's the only thing I've experienced so far. This is day 4, as I said before, and that's the only thing I've experienced. I'm not really hungry. I'm doing okay with my food. Like, I don't feel anyway, like I feel like it's going good. I don't feel deprived. I don't feel, like I'm starving myself. Like, I feel fine. I feel good. I feel fine. But I will update you guys again when I get lunch. I wasn't able to carry something from home. I wasn't able to carry something from home today, and so I'll have to get something on the road. So hopefully I can show you guys that. But yeah, I was just really checking in with you guys, letting you know how it's going so far on this keto journey. It's been a while since I checked in with you guys. Today is actually day 5, so keto day 5. Today's Friday the 20th. So yesterday I ended up going on the road. I went to Mega Mart to try and get their Mediterranean salad, but apparently they don't sell them anymore, so that was a fail. They had other salads there, but they had like potato salad, corn, and those carbsy foods, and you know that keto is minimal carbs, so that never worked out. So I ended up having to go to the supermarket, buying a piece of rotisserie chicken, buying some lettuce, and buying a cucumber, and just kind of putting together a salad, and buying a ranch dressing too. I didn't have any cheese, unfortunately, because I didn't take any with me. I thought I would have been able to get away with the Mediterranean salad at Mega Mart, but we digress. And that's the thing I find with keto, like if you don't prepare, it's so easy for you to fall off, because Jamaica is such a carb heavy country. Like everything that we eat is like very, very carb heavy. So that was unfortunate. I did reach home late that day as well. And so I ended up eating 4 slices of turkey breast, which I ate earlier this week one day, and also what else did I eat with it? Yes, so I had 4 slices of the turkey breast that I had earlier, and a little bit of cream cheese and some relish on it, and then I did have some of the sugar-free jello. So today now I'm gonna be showing you guys what I ate. I went to the supermarket, my local supermarket today, and I realized that they have a tossed salad. So it's literally a few tomatoes, because you know tomato already, a few tomatoes, mostly lettuce, and like a few slices of cucumber. So I decided to get that salad. I had my own ranch dressing. I bought a rotisserie chicken today, a mild jerk chicken. So I bought that, I cut up some chicken, and I boiled 2 eggs, added some cheese, and that's the salad that I'll be having today. It is currently It is currently 1:44, so I'm eating my first meal, which is lunch. Right now, it's a pretty big salad. I'm looking forward to it. This is my salad, guys. As you can see, I have the boiled egg here. This is one egg and this is another. I just chopped it up. And then you can see lettuce. It does, as I say, have tomato, but it's about like 1, 2, 3 slices of tomato. Some cucumber is under here somewhere. This is my cheese right here. This is the lettuce, which it mostly is, and then obviously the chicken is on top, and I do have some ranch dressing on this as well. Also, I forgot to say that I actually decided to buy some, you know, those Tostitos dipping sauces or salsas. I decided to buy one and include it in the salad as well, so that is actually in here as well. 2 tablespoons of that is 2 carbs, so I decided to just buy that to spice up, like, you know, when we had my little turkey breast, wrap them or whatever. Like, I just decided to buy it so that it could give like my meal something extra, you know, some little oomph. So yeah, I'm gonna grab on this now. So I'll see you guys hopefully when I'm eating another meal. Good morning, happy keto day 6. Today is Saturday. It's kind of early. It's like what, after 10? It's after 11 now. Actually made something to eat because girl is hungry, so I just whipped up something. I'm gonna show you in a second. Feeling okay, still peeing a lot, but on the journey. I don't think I showed you what I ate last night. Last night I ended up going to bed very early and then waking up like 11 o'clock, almost 12 o'clock. And I had only eaten that salad that I showed you yesterday, so I had to eat something. I had just had some turkey breast with some of the salsa that I bought yesterday, and some cheese, and I had the rest of my jello. I bought some more the other day, so I'm gonna make some more jello, but I'm gonna show you my food. This is just a tin of Vienna sausage over here that I fried up. This is some of the salsa here, and I have an omelette with some shredded rotisserie chicken breast in there and some cheese on the top, as you can see. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm eating my second meal for the day. I can't believe that it's almost been 1 week since I've been on the keto, so I guess this video will be wrapping up like in what, 2 days. I'm gonna be weighing myself in 2 days to see how the weight going on, but yeah, I'll check in with you guys in the next clip. Okay, it's lunchtime. It's 3:09 now. I'm gonna be having some curry chicken breast with some pak choy and cabbage stir fry. And yeah, this is my second meal for the day. Why I feel like I'm gonna eat more today than I usually do in the week. I think it's because I'm home, it's a Saturday, and I'm not doing work to probably distract me. Because if you don't know about boredom eating, or Saturday weekend eating, but I'm still staying on track. I'm also going to have some of my sparkling ice today as well. That has been really helping. I'm not somebody that drink juice. I'm sure I've told you guys this already, but you know, it just encourages you along the way, because there's not really much that you can eat on this diet, especially living in Jamaica. A lot of things are just not available out here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a sec. This is what I'm having: stir fry curry chicken breast, and of course I threw out only half of the sparkling ice, so I only drink half at a time. So yeah, this is what I'm drinking. Okay guys, today is keto day 7. Today is Sunday. I am basically gonna eat what I ate yesterday for dinner, the curry and the stir fry vegetables. I just wanted to basically close out this video. This is officially, I guess, 1 week of being on keto so far. Well, Monday will technically be 1 week because I started on Monday. But I just wanted to just kind of tell you guys what I've been experiencing for the first week of being on keto. So first of all, I know you guys are gonna want to know if I lost any weight. So I did lose 6 pounds in total, 6 pounds flat this week. I also was urinating frequently by about the 2nd or 3rd day, which kind of inhibited my sleep because I had to be getting up like 4 times throughout the night to use the bathroom. So that was another thing. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I worked out 3 times during the course of last week. It would have been Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Obviously Sunday I didn't start the keto. I started the keto on Monday. But this Sunday, when I was to start back working out, for the week, because Sundays are usually the first day of the week for me. It was a struggle. Like, I had very, very low energy. I could not manage. Like, it was really bad, really, really bad. What I usually could have breezed through, I found that I was just like super exhausted. So yes. Also, I find that on the weekends, specifically Saturday, the munchies are very real. So Saturday night, I ended up like, I don't know, I was just craving something, like something crunchy, something sweet. I was just craving something. So on Saturday, I did end up eating some strawberries and cream cheese, and also like a handful of what's it called? I think it's called almond halves or shredded almond, something like that. They're still keto, but I know that probably put me over the 20 grams that they say you're supposed to eat per day. I should have mentioned also that while I was number one in down the place, like the number twos were very few and far between, which is not something I'm used to. I did experience that, as I told you. I did do keto 2 years ago or 3 years ago, and I did experience not being able to number two as often as I usually would. I probably have to do some more research into what I can actually use to help that issue. But yeah, overall the first week was a success. It's been smooth sailing for the most part. So I will see you guys in my next update. Hopefully I'll do as well in keto week number 2 as I did in the first week. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Remember, say I'm not like a dietitian or anything like that, so I can just only share my experience. So thanks again guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. Please remember to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Remember to check out the previous videos on my channel and my channel playlist. I do have another channel called Yardmints as well. We recently uploaded a Jamaican house tour over there of Silversun Estate, so please go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully in my next keto update for week number 2.